Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to ungroup shape in Photoshop for 3 mode. Okay, apply first mode, group mode. Click the group layer, hold Control Shift, press Z, or go to layer tab, ungroup layer. Okay, delete this and step to mode 2. Select the layer, single layer, and click the path selection tool or shortcut key, press A on your keyboard and click shape, ungroup. Use single layer, press Ctrl Z, duplicate layer to this single layer, and again press Ctrl Z, single layer. And mode 3, smart object mode, double click the smart object icon, click OK, open new window, hold Control, select 2 layer or all layer, then drag. That's it. Use single layer. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.